Can you make money on YouTube?
Obviously.
How about in 2024? Is it oversaturated? Can we still grow channels to the monetization minimum and make money online with our YouTube channels in 2024? Well, I am living proof that you can. I have 3 channels right now that are currently monetized, and I got a pretty cool comment on my main channel that I wanted to share with you all today, so let's take a look at that.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so very quickly, I have 3 channels now that I have built within the last year and a half. I quit my corporate job in January of 2023. It is now June of 2024. I now have 3 monetized YouTube channels, and all of them are making at least a little bit of money. I think my best month so far in the past few months that I've been monetized, I made a little over $1,000.
Is that all?
I mean, just let that sink in. A little over $1,000 in a single month sitting in front of a camera and talking to you all. Yes, this platform is saturated. Yes, there are millions of channels and millions of minutes of videos being uploaded all the time to this platform. But if you are making quality content and you are following at least some of the rules of YouTube, you can take a small slice of that pie for yourself. And let's take a look at this really fun comment that I got on my Can I official channel. With Love Zara said, my 13-year-old daughter started 2 years and got monetized this year, and she made $1,900 at age 13. Last month, she made more than my own business. So imagine years ago when YouTube wasn't quite as famous for making lots of money for people. If you told your parents what you wanted to be when you grew up and you told them, I want to be a YouTuber, they would probably laugh and say, that's wonderful, but there's no way you can make a living from being a YouTuber, from making silly videos. Now look at all the people that are becoming millionaires by creating silly TikTok videos or silly YouTube videos.
Present company excluded.
Or by posting their outfits on Instagram. It is crazy how the world has shifted in my lifetime, especially. In order to make money before, you had to get a job, work your way up the corporate ladder, retire at 70 with a couple of dollars in the bank. Now you can literally sit at home in your house, in your pajamas, make content, and as long as that content can reach people, you can make money off that content. I've showed my journey on my channel. It is possible for a very normal, and I use the word normal loosely, it is possible for a very normal person to make content that makes money online these days, especially on YouTube. This platform is amazing and I love it. So can you make money on YouTube? Yes, I am living proof. And here's another comment from someone whose 13-year-old daughter is making money on YouTube, even more than her mother is. So I just wanted to share that with you all. If you're thinking about starting a channel, I recommend you do it. It's a super great skill to have. There's lots of people looking for editors. There's lots of people looking for content creators online nowadays, UGC creators, and now is a better time to get involved than later.
So deep.
So thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Unless you change.